Hello everyone, welcome to the Electron Flow Academy. So our today's topic is power factor. Okay, so basically power factor is only related to AC circuits. Okay, so that is there is no power factor in the DC. In the DC there is no power factor because of zero frequency. Okay, so in the case of DC there is no power factor. Okay, so basically, the power factor may be defined as three definitions and formulas. So, firstly, the cosine of angle between current and voltage called power factor. Okay, so first definition is this. Okay, so mathematically, we can write this P is equals to VI cos of theta. Okay, so here if I calculate the value of cos theta, which is equal to P divided by VI. Okay. So basically, the cos theta or power factor is equal to 2 power divided by current power. Okay. So basically here P is equal to power in watts. Okay. And V is equal to voltages in volts, and I is equal to current in ampere ampere, and W is equal to real power, which is in watts. Okay. Or more, if I talk about VA, which is equal to basically current power in volts, ampere, or watts. Okay. And cos of theta is equal to power factor. Okay. So this is our first definition. Okay. So another definition for the power factor is second definition, that the ratio between resistances and impedances is called power factor. So this is our second definition. power factor. So mathematically, we can write this cos of theta is equal to resistance divided by impedance. Okay, so here R is resistance in ohms, Z is impedance. Okay, so basically, impedance is reactance in AC circuit, that is XL, XC, and R known as the inductive reactance. Okay, then capacitive reactance and reactance respectively. So basically, definition of impedance is resistances in AC circuits, that is XL. Okay, XL is inductive reactance. What is XL here? Inductive reactance. Okay, comma XC. What is XC? Capacitive reactance. Okay, and R. Basically, this is the resistance. Okay, in ohms. Okay, so this is the definition of Z. Z means here impedance. Okay, and we know that the cos theta is power factor. Okay, sorry, power factor. Okay, so this is our second definition. Okay, now there is one more definition for the power factor. Okay, which is known as third definition. So the ratio between actual power and apparent power called power factor. Okay, so there are three definitions. This is our third definition. Okay, so mathematically, cos of theta is equal to kilowatt. Okay, so basically here k of kilo should be small k, kilowatt watt to the kilovolts ampere. Okay, so this is our third definition. So we know that here kilowatt is equal to real power in watt. Okay, next kVA is equal to apparent power in volts ampere or watt. Okay, and lastly we know that the cos theta is the power factor. Okay, so those are the basically the three definitions which defines the power factor. Okay, so thank you very much for watching our videos. Kindly like and subscribe our channel.